when I started content creation, I actually was recording audio using this one here, a spaghetti of cables. I actually loved it because of the distance. It's very long. So I could be able to plug this directly into the camera and be somewhere a little bit far from the camera for the convenience of the lens. And I could record my audio now. However, the issue I had with this is sometimes you can see now untangling the cable so that you are able to plug in that direction there. Plus, it could it uses some batteries. So there's several. Let me try to see if I can get them. And yeah, this one's here. So this is a pack of several. I bought how many? I don't know how many they were, but it's a huge pack. The issue with this is it used to like consume a lot of that power. So that battery will take me several, let's say 2 or 3 recordings, and it will just die off now without even notice. So I couldn't even know. Now, this one introduced static sound into the video, something I never liked. So I decided to buy this one here. This is HoloLens LAC M1, but I made a mistake with this one. So if you look carefully here, this is supposed to be for only one person. And my target or my aim was to have at least the 2, because from my research, I would want to... I have another channel, by the way. I'm a doctor, so I usually talk a lot. So I decided to, do away with this. Buy HoloLens, because this is what I got from the reviews. It was highly recommended. It was cheap, and I can tell the sound quality of this thing made me buy another one. And the reason for this video is just unboxing this one and tell you about the sound quality of this one, because I think they are similar. They are supposed to be. The only difference between this one and this one here is this one usually comes with only one receiver. And this is how the inside will look like, because now this will be a transmitter and a receiver. So that's why it was just for one person. For this one, I'm highly doubting whether I'm going to make the same mistake, because here, if I think you can see, I'm not sure. Let me try to see whether I can zoom in carefully. If you look carefully here, it's written Duo. HoloLens LAC M1 Duo. So I'm going to get 2 receivers. So try. This is me trying to cross my fingers, because I want to have two receivers inside here. I'm so terrible when it comes to opening some of these boxes. Oh, there's a seal here, and another one here. Okay, so similar box, nothing inside here, so that one can just go. And fingers crossed. Yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for, because I'm planning to always be having them being charged, because sometimes I usually forget to charge this ones for actually that's exactly what I'm using to record currently. So the only thing that I have from this previous setup here is not this one. So this is a battery. It contains a battery and it's a pouch. So the only thing that I have, what I'm using to record now, is only the 2 of these ones here, just only these 2. So yeah. And if you can look carefully here, I think we have 3, and this is exactly what I was looking forward to getting. And yeah, so from here you can see we have indicators of now this is a battery, so it charges them when you place them inside. Once you remove them like this, they're supposed to light up and pair. I don't know how long it will take to pair. Oh, these ones have already paired. If I remove this other one here, it will just go on like that, and it will pair. And you'll know that because now this is not blinking anymore. If I take them back, if I take that one back, it will just go off, and this is the reason why this is blinking. They are blinking because they are not paired to the receiver. If let me just show you. I don't know whether you can see them from the glaring light that they are. So you can see this is inside it's actually charging. It's inside here. So if I remove it, it's supposed to be on and paired already. So let me just take it back like that. So you can see this is disconnected, and if you just remove it, it will just turn itself on and pair with this one here and also with this one here. So now I have an option of getting 2 more guests and interview them, because that was exactly the reason why I bought these ones. As usual, this the dead cats. By the way, what do we call them? The dead cats, yeah, I think so. So we have them for each and every microphone there to windbreakers, I'm hoping. Here we have, what do we call this one here? So we have TRS to TRRS. So this one, you can just plug this directly into, where is my laptop here? Okay. So if you look carefully here for this, you can see this is a combo, both for microphone and headphones. So I can easily and comfortably plug it there and get this plugged into the receiver, and I can comfortably use that one. Now we have another one here, which is this is TRS. They are both TRS. So this one is from the receiver directly to the camera. This one is directly into either the smartphone that you the one that usually use 3.5 jack, or the combo that contain a jack that contain both the audio and microphone. You can use this one, or if you're using a type C, I so happened to buy this separately. You can see this is a type C on this end, and this is 3.5 mm. So what you do, you just plug it inside like that, and you can just plug this directly into the receiver and this one into your phone, so that your phone will just receive the audio that you're getting. So this was just an unboxing video, and I have an extra cable. This one is for charging the case. This case here, it's a type C, which is something I'm really liking. I have a laptop which I can actually charge. So there'll be times I just want to carry just one charger that will charge my phone, that will charge my camera, that will charge this one here. So it's actually fun. So apart from now the manuals, I think there should be something to that. Yeah, we are happy for you. Oh, we are here for you. Okay, it's just there for marketing. This is the guide on how to operate, how to connect various devices, and compliance information. This other one here, I don't know, whatever. It's kind of a manual. Yeah, being so. Yes, so this is a manual, and this is a quick guide, this one here. And I think, I don't think there is anything left here. You know, I have 2 pouches. What I'm thinking is, I'll try to see if I can be able to put the transmitter which I'm currently using, or maybe is there a way I can be able to pair? No, there is no way, because this receiver is only 2 channels, so I can't be able to pair an extra transmitter, so that there are now 3. It's not possible. So I'll just try to see how I'll work around that. Anyway, I'm happy about this. It looks nice. I got exactly what I was looking for, and plus now this is a little bit durable compared to this one, where you'll have to carry the whole of this package. You'll have to, for example, if I'm carrying, I'll have to put them inside here and carry the bulky this. I can actually just have only this carrying my oh, okay, I cannot. I'll have to have the cable somewhere, put somewhere, a place I can be able to access in case I'm planning to record something. But this is a really good carrier case, and it's magnetic, and it's type C, and we have I don't know, they've not indicated how long this one stays with power. Not this one, I think it's this one. But what I saw, which is something I'm not sure, is one receiver fully charged. It can take me for how many hours? 8 hours continuously without charging. But with the case plus everything here all charged, they can take us for around 20 hours, which is more than enough. If, for example, Like I said, I can talk. I'm a doctor. I have another channel, a medical channel. I talk a lot there. So in case maybe, and I'm actually planning to introduce a podcast. In case I'm feeling like I want to add something, maybe I want to talk a lot. It's usually very hard for someone to talk for 8 hours continuously without having a break, which is what this is created for. I'm not sure. Maybe this is just in an ideal environment, or maybe when it's not transmitting, when you're not talking. I don't know. I don't understand, but I'll try to see. That's kind of me telling you that you should come back later for a review video, because I'll review them. I'll come and tell you exactly how they performed. But for the ones that I bought, this one, which was a solo and not a duo, it has performed so well. Unfortunately, it doesn't like take me to a full 8 hours, which is yeah, I don't know, maybe it was just advertised. Maybe when it's just sitting idly, it can go for those 8 hours. But when you're using it, it takes way less. I think the maximum it can go, I think it's around 2 hours, the maximum, and you're pushing it actually. So I'm trying to see how this will go. And the advantage I have here is I don't need to actually start maybe pressing the power button. So once I just take it out like this, it will just be on and it will just continue pairing directly. And the only thing that I need to do is to just plug the cable in and into my camera, and then I just start recording. So I think that's it. I don't have anything more to say about this, apart from I'm just so happy. The package feels so premium, the plastic feels so premium, and yeah, I'm going to use this a lot, especially due to how portable this thing is. See you in the next video when I try to see if I can review this within a month or two. Although we have several other things that I need to unbox and talk about, because like I said, I like talking. And I have a microphone now that I don't need to struggle as much as I used to struggle with this. See you in the next video.